Here in its packet is the Flinn Garlick helper or supplementary or auxiliary handle, and I've left it in its packet because I don't want to lose this thing, the rivet. And observe that the hole on this side and on that side is exactly the same diameter. This means that the rivet, which is flying around here, when it's introduced into the hole, will stay there so long as there is tension on the blade by the handle being screwed down, but the rivet will pull out of the handle and get lost. Oh dear. Unlike the wonderful Diston, where the rivet is trapped. So if you have one of these, I suggest you retrofit it and get yourself a fatter rivet and drill out one side of the shank a little bigger than the other side. With a ball peen hammer, tap on the end of the rivet to flare it out.